Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into a solution for one of the most common foot ailments, bunions. Introducing the Dr. Scholl's Bunion Cushion with Hydrogel technology, the ultimate relief for bunion discomfort. If you're tired of dealing with the pain and discomfort caused by bunions, you're not alone. But fear not, because Dr. Scholl's has developed a game-changing solution. What sets this bunion cushion apart from the rest? It's the innovative hydrogel technology. Unlike traditional foam or gel cushions, Dr. Scholl's hydrogel technology provides superior cushioning and protection against shoe pressure and friction. The thin and flexible design of these cushions allows for comfortable, multi-day coverage. Simply apply the cushion to your bunion area, and experience immediate and all-day pain relief. Plus, the sweat and water-resistant feature ensures long-lasting comfort, even on the hottest days. And here's the best part. These cushions fit easily in any shoe, so you can go about your day without any discomfort. Whether you're running errands or hitting the gym, Dr. Scholl's Bunion Cushion has got you covered. So if you're ready to say goodbye to bunion pain once and for all, head over to Amazon.com and get your hands on Dr. Scholl's Bunion Cushion with Hydrogel technology. Your feet will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy shopping!